Experience the open road with peace of mind, thanks to the Compass On-Road Motorcycle Program. Our lifetime powertrain limited warranty covers your engine, transmission, drive axle assembly, and more. Combined with our Platinum Wrap, you get added protection from unexpected breakdowns. Some benefits include pickup and delivery charges, rental reimbursement, travel interruption assistance, and 24-hour towing assistance. Plus, flat tire assistance, battery boost, fluid delivery, and lockout assistance. Optional trailer package and $0 deductible available for even more convenience. Visit agws.com to learn more. AGWS, every way forward.